In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock QuickBooks online. This simple process will help ensure that your financial records remain secure and tamper-proof, allowing you to manage your accounting tasks with peace of mind. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure your QuickBooks Online accounts are properly locked. Whether you're looking to prevent accidental changes or ensure compliance, this short walkthrough should cover all the bases. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of QuickBooks Online. Your starting point is the Settings menu, a crucial hub for all things related to your account configuration. Look for the gear icon, which is typically situated at the upper corner of your screen. When you've located it, give it a click. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate Account and Settings. Clicking on this option opens up a new set of preferences. This is where you can customize various aspects of your QuickBooks experience. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page, where several tabs are displayed. For today's purposes, click on the Advanced tab. The Advanced section is home to more intricate settings regarding the functionality of your QuickBooks account. It's the perfect place to set up locks for your records. Inside the Advanced settings, scroll down until you come across the section labeled Close the Books. What you're going to do next is toggle this setting on. Closing the books essentially locks down your financial transactions up to a specific date, helping you avoid any accidental changes while protecting your finalized reports and records. Next comes a crucial step: selecting a closing date. This date represents the point up to which your accounting records will be shielded from any adjustments. It's like setting a definitive cutoff point for any changes that shouldn't happen unless carefully considered. To further prevent unintended changes, you'll want to check the option that says, Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering password. This feature provides a safety net by allowing changes only after a warning and the correct password entry. Now comes the important part: setting up the password. Choose a password that meets your security needs and is strong enough to prevent unauthorized modifications. Once you've chosen a password, enter it into the designated field. After typing it in, you'll need to confirm it by re-entering the same password. This quick double-check ensures there aren't any typos and that the password will function correctly when you need it. Finally, wrap it all up by clicking on Save. By saving these settings, you're applying the changes you've decided on, effectively locking in your choices and securing your financial data up to your specified date. Congratulations, you've successfully locked your QuickBooks Online account. This setup should now offer you a higher level of security and integrity for your bookkeeping activities. With this safeguard in place, you're well equipped to handle day-to-day operations without the concern of accidental amendments or security breaches. As you return to using QuickBooks Online, remember to keep your passwords safe and share them only with trusted individuals. The features you've activated will help protect your data integrity, allowing you to maintain precise and reliable financial records for your business. Thank you for joining me today in learning how to lock QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this instructional video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. If there are any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy accounting.